Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the question bank which is provided by Maharashtra government. So in this video we are going to see about the question number 4, section B. So a graph is given to you or a population pyramid is given to you. On the basis of that you need to answer the 5 questions. Okay. So related to in the first section I have already given you two graphs and their answers. First graph was related to population pyramid like expansive, constructive and stationary, and second graph was related to the bar graph. So there was a graph which was related to literacy rate. Okay. The 4 question ke answers I told you, and the last question was on the next page which I was unable to see. So I just skipped that question by mistake. So the answer for the fifth question of the second one bar graph is that it is a horizontal bar graph. ठीक है, उसका नाम क्या है? Horizontal bar graph. Let us move ahead with question B. Observe the following graph and answer the following questions. Now here you can see this is a bar graph. Okay, it is a divided bar graph. You can see that the graph is divided. So it's called as divided bar graph. So the first question is, what type of graph is this? So the answer for this is what? It is a divided bar graph. I'll just open the notepad if you want, so you'll get an idea about it. So in the notepad I'll just write the answers for your question. Just minimize this for your convenience. So just write the answers here. So the first answer, I'll just write it here, is divided bar graph. Okay, this is the first answer of your question. Now the second question is, in which continent the land percentage is highest? So here you can see the continents are given here. So the names of the continents are missing actually. So you need to tell in which continent it is highest. So basically it is highest in the, just give me 1 second. Yeah, you can go through the question bank for the reference of the names. I'll just tell you the answers. So the land percentage is basically highest in Asia continent. We all know that Asia continent has the highest percentage of land. Next is, in which continent the land percentage is lowest? So the continent which has the lowest land percentage is Australia. Okay. Next, in which continent 9.2% of land is found? So 9.2%, this is the place where it is 9.2 percentage. So it is nothing else than, the answer here is Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay. And last one, that is the fifth one, is what is the land percentage of Europe? So Europe is where you need to find it out first of all. So we need to tell the land percentage of it. Okay. So the land percentage of Europe is nothing but 6.8. So the answer here is 6.8%. So this is all about the question number 4B, which is based on divided bar graph. Now we'll see the next question number 4B. So this is the fourth graph of this question bank. So in this graph, we'll see about the population pyramid. So observe the following map and answer the questions given below. So the first question is, which type of graph shown above? Now we all know that population pyramids are of 3 types, like expansive, constructive and stationary. So this is a expansive type of population pyramid. So you can just write a population pyramid, or you can just write expansive also. Okay. So it's a population pyramid type of graph. The second question is, in which age group male percentage is highest? Now you can see here, this is the blue color is denoted by male, which is already given here, whereas the pink color, I'll just select the pink one. So this is the pink color. So this pink color is selected by the females. Okay, so yeah, so what is the age group of male percentage, which is the highest one? So in the case of male, just have a look at here, which is the highest? Highest is 14.6. What is the age group? 0 to 9. So you are just going to write age group is how much? 0 to 9, and the percentage is how much? 14.6%. So this is how you're going to write. Okay, next is, in which age group female percentage is lowest? Now here is the female scale, so you can just see female percentage. So lowest is 0.2. Okay, so where is the age group? It is 70 plus. So you will write age group in bracket 70 plus, close the bracket, and what is the percentage? 0.2%. Okay, let us move for the fourth one. Whose percentage is highest in the age group of 30 to 39 age group? So where is 30 to 39? 30 to 39 is here. Okay, so who is having the highest age group? I mean the highest ratio, whether it is male or female. So you can see in the case of 30 to 39, the male has a highest group of percentage, that is 68.8. So your answer here will be male. Male is highest with how much? A 66.8%. Okay. Next is fifth one. In which age group female percentage is higher than male percentage? So you have to tell where is the female percentage more than the male percentage. So you can see here in the case of 0 to 9, male is more than female. In the case of 10 to 19, again male is 10.6, female is 10. So male is more. In the case of 20 to 29, male is again more, female is less. In the case of 30 to 39, male is more, female is less. In the same pattern, if you go up, everywhere it is like that only. Only in the case of 60 to 69, here you can see that the age group between 60 to 69, the male population is 21 and the female population is 2.1 and 2.2, means here the female population is more. So in the age group of 60 to 69, the female population is high, that is 2.2%. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 4, B's graph. Okay, hello students, now we are going to continue with question number 4b, the next graph of your question bank. So in this we have a map given. So observe the following graph and answer the questions given below. So this is a map which is given to you. So what is the title of the map? So here the title is given. I'll just highlight the title so you can see that this is the title of the map. Okay, I'll just see whether it works with this. So this is world major industrial regions. Okay, so this is the title. So I'll write the answer for the first one is world major industrial regions. Okay, so you're just going to write here regions. Only region is okay. So second one, The title is already given here. You just have to look at it and write. Next one is in which continent industrial region is high. So you have to find the high industrial region. Okay, I'll take a dark pen so it is easily visible to all of you. So high industrial region we are searching here. So let us see the highest industrial region. The colors are given to donate it. So it is Asian continent which has the highest industrial region. That is here. Okay, so here you can see there is highest industrial region with a big proportion. ठीक है, ये है highest industrial region. ठीक है. So the answer I have already given. Next question is what? In which continent industrial region is less? So सबसे कम और सबसे smallest industrial region which you can see is in Africa. Okay, so the third answer is African continent. Okay, so this is nothing else but African continent here. So you can see that the industrial region is very much lowest. Next is write the names of industrial regions in Australia. तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन्स हैं उनके नाम आपको लिखने हैं. So I'll just write here Perth. You have to look at the graph properly. Actually on the screen it's very difficult. You can open your PDF file and have a look at it and answer the questions first. Melbourne and Sydney. Okay, so these are the places. You can just write it down. Next is fifth one. So in the fifth, which names of industrial regions in India? So India में industrial regions कहाँ पे है? So you can write the name as Chota Nagpur, Plateau. Okay, so you can also give another names like Mumbai, Pune, Corridor. So these are the two names which I have suggested. You can give more than that also. So this is all about all the maps I have covered. So it is all about it in the two videos. First part I have already uploaded. This is the second part. So in the two parts I have covered maximum of your graph related map questions. So this is all about the question number 4B section which will be coming in your board examination, and this is how the paper pattern is. So if you like the video, you can like it, you can share it and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, any comment, you can just share your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.